taste. Recipe. In 200 gram tamarind, add 2 cups of water. Use your hand to make pulp and separate it as much as you can. Using a strainer, separate all the pulp, pressing with spoon. Add half cup of water and put it on stove for cooking. Add cumin, red chili powder, and salt. Give it a good mix and add sugar as well. Let it cook for 20 minutes or medium flame. After 20 minutes, see the sauce is reduced to 2 cups. Now turn the flame on high until 1.5 cup is remaining. Now turn it. Tamarind sauce is ready. Serve with snacks. इमली की चटनी अज्जा। इमली 200 ग्राम, सूरख मिर्च पाउडर आधा टीस्पून, जीरा पाउडर 1 टीस्पून, चीनी 1/3 कप, पानी 2.5 कप, नमक हस्बे जायका। एक बर्तन में इमली लें कर उसमें 2 कप पानी डालकर हाथ की मदद से इमली का पल्प अलैदा करके बीज निकाल लें।